Understanding the phrase, veiled repository. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, veiled repository. This might sound a bit complex at first, but don't worry. We're going to break it down together, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your conversations or writing. So, let's dive in. First, let's dissect this phrase into two parts, veiled and repository. Veiled is an adjective derived from the noun veil. A veil is a piece of cloth that covers something, usually in a way that prevents it from being seen completely. So, when something is described as veiled, it means it's partially concealed or hidden. Repository is a noun. It refers to a place, room, or container where something is stored or deposited. It's often used to talk about a place where knowledge or information is kept. Putting these two words together, a veiled repository refers to a place or source of information that is somewhat hidden or not immediately obvious. Now, let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase can be used in sentences. 1. The ancient library was a veiled repository of forgotten knowledge, its secrets hidden in plain sight. 2. For many, traditional folklore remains a veiled repository of cultural wisdom, only fully understood by a few. These examples show that veiled repository can be used both literally and metaphorically, often to describe a source of information or knowledge that is not fully revealed or understood. Understanding the context in which veiled repository is used can be incredibly helpful. This phrase is often found in literature, especially in genres like mystery or historical fiction, where it adds an element of intrigue or depth. It's less common in everyday conversation but can be used to sound more poetic or sophisticated. And that's a wrap on veiled repository. I hope this video has shed light on this intriguing phrase and added a new element to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is a vast and beautiful veiled repository itself, full of surprises and new things to learn. Keep exploring, and see you in the next video.